welcome to today's vlog. Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have an update on how the bathroom's going. I think that this video will probably just be a bathroom video and getting it together. We have to grout the tile. Tile all went in last night. I'll share footage of that right now.
I'm running the same tiles in the bathroom into the shower area, and because they're larger tiles, you have to actually cut them where the slope is so the water drains properly to the drain. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just kind of dry fitting the tiles and marking them with the slope of the shower pan so I can have them all cut and ready to go when I lay the tile.
We also launched our clothing brand this past weekend, Day Off Apparel by Ackley. Thank you to everybody who's ordered to date. You can shop it right now on aspenackley.com. What else?
You could have waited till I was done eating.
People want to see you eat.
I doubt it. It's kind of gross.
On with the video. Here's the update. We're ready for grout. That's the next step. There was a lot of intricate cuts to get it nice and sloped. But it looks really good. It was tricky though.
It was tricky.
Very pretty. Okay, let's go get the vanity.
Sure.
Step on the ground. All right, kiddos, we're off to, sing it with me, Lowe's. Ew, okay. Every time we go to leave the house for all of our errands, it turns into pure chaos because he'll set the alarm before I'm ready and then rush me to get everything together. Stop! I'm not ready! I haven't even got my sunglasses yet. What if I see someone I know? Okay.
Ready?
Ready. Off we go. On the hunt for the perfect light for the bathroom. Something that's gonna like light the room well. Okay, that one up at the top. Okay, we need hardware now for the bathroom vanity.
What's that?
Just talking to myself.
Oh.
Little rectangle. Little rectangle. This has me second guessing the design. I don't like the gold. Okay, black it is. Okay, my decision has been made. I went with a black one. And did you know you have to buy these separate? What a jip.
That's a bit ridiculous.
Yeah. Anyways, I think we've made our mind up. We're doing black accents instead.
You need bulbs too, I guess.
Oh, yeah. Another expense. Easy fix.
Does it come with a drain?
Change it to black. Okay, so Andrew's diving right into the bathroom. We're gonna try and get it done ASAP Rocky because this project is taking far too long. And then as soon as it's done, I'll film a home tour for you. But in the meantime, let's watch Handy Andy work on the bathroom. Okay, update. It's been a busy evening. We're testing the toilet. We're dry. It's totally dry.
I know.
You're good.
I'm
You're
surprised.
good.
I'm quite surprised.
Good job, baby.
Thanks.
So the last couple hours, Andrew's been working on the bathroom, as you've seen, and I've been in our bedroom working on putting away laundry. If you've seen our recent videos, I said how doing laundry is like our downfall, like putting away the laundry. We would just really struggle with it. So I'm in here hanging everything up, but I ran out of hangers. So at this point, I'm just doing a whole collection of clothes. I ordered more hangers off of Amazon, and they'll be here tomorrow. So in the meantime, we're just slowly working through that kind of stuff, but I didn't think this was exciting, so I didn't show you the whole process of putting away clothing, but it's a work in progress, as is this entire house.
Hot take. If you want to have a squeaky clean toilet seat, you flip those up, unscrew your bolts, take it off and clean it. Look how clean that toilet is. Looks like it's never been used.
Just pop it back in, close the tabs, bada boom, bada bing, you're done. I don't feel like I explained this well in the last video either, that this originally was a closet, which is why there used to be a door here. And then right next to it was the old bathroom door. So you'd walk into the bathroom and it was that really long original bathroom right through here, which is why it's like not painted, because we had to patch the original door. So we took that big bathroom and split it into to make it into the ensuite bathroom, and now this smaller bathroom. So we lost a closet in the hallway so that we would be able to fit the shower in, but
we lost one in the hallway.
wait, what?
We lost 2 closets.
We did?
A hall closet and our bedroom closet.
I mean, technically, yeah, we lost our bedroom closet, but we made it into a bigger closet.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Sorry. Okay, so I was just trying to explain. This used to be a closet. So we lost a closet to be able to make a bigger...
An ensuite with a walk-in.
Yes, thank you. Good morning. It's another day.
I still have to paint the ceiling, do another coat of paint on the walls probably. The floor tile done, toilet, vanity in, light fixture.
I think today's the perfect day to go pick out some shower tile. I think I want to do like a blue to match the vanity. I think that would be really pretty. You got the light up installed. I just wanted something pretty and classic looking because I want to do a big like wooden framed mirror. If I can find one, we might have to take a trip to HomeSense today. And then I'm thinking either like a blue tile accent wall, so just this wall will be blue, or maybe all the walls blue, but I don't know for sure. I also want to share that we found these 2 loungers on Facebook Marketplace, 2 for $75. So that was a steal, but we're still on the hunt for patio furniture up here. I'd love to do like a big sectional, or like a circular sectional would be so fun. And then we need shade because it just is full sun up until about 5 o'clock, and you will absolutely cook sitting out here. But that's where we're currently at. And then also for down here, we went and picked out our composite. We're still waiting to hear back from the company about placing an order, so that kind of is on hold for a while still, but we don't want to rush it. It's a big decision, and I'm sure, as you know, everything is so expensive, so we just have to kind of think everything through and not rush this project, because we did mention briefly in our last video that we do have plans to eventually sell this place. But eventually we will be selling it. We'd love to try building a house or live somewhere else. We're not really interested in living in the same place forever, and we're still so young that we can do that. There's nothing tying us down to one specific place, so that will be the end game for us, that we sell and eventually do it all over again. What that timeline looks like, we don't know for sure, but that's the situation. In the meantime though, we will enjoy the little paradise we've made and keep on updating you guys as we work through this house. I think this is the one. It's only $50. 23 by 35.
Will that work?
I said 35 by
25.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Okay, that's the one.
Vanilla oud. Sniff it. All right, everybody, it's many hours later. Andrew has been working his butt off on this bathroom, and it looks so good. He's so proud of it, and he picked out the vanity, he picked out the tile for the floor, so it's just been his little project, and he's absolutely killing it. He got the door painted, so that's gonna get installed tomorrow. We didn't end up going and picking out our bathroom shower tile, but I think we're gonna just do blue the whole way around, different variations of blue. It'll be really pretty. And that's kind of where we're gonna leave you for tonight.
Hope you're enjoying following along, and we'll see you again tomorrow.